Hello student, I am Pankaj Kumar. Today I am taking the topic circle. Student, what is the circle? What is the definition of a circle? What we will do? What we will learn in this chapter? So student, I am starting with the definition of a circle. So first of all, a student, the definition of a circle. The definition is, if you see this figure as you know it, this is a circle. This is the circle. Now I am taking here the mathematical definition. It is the locus of a variable point. Suppose it is px comma y, which moves in such a way that its distance from a fixed point, suppose it is OH comma K, is always constant, and suppose that constant is R. Here this fixed point is called center, this is called the center, and this is called. So first of all, student, definition of a circle. What is circle? So you can define it like circle is a moving. Circle is the locus of a moving point, and that point, suppose p x comma y, which moves in such a way that its distance from a fixed point, and that fixed point, suppose it is OH comma K, is always constant, and that constant I am taking here R. This fixed point is called center of the circle, and this fixed constant distance, this constant R, is called radius of the circle. Now student, the locus, that is path, when we move like this way, this is the constant distance and this is the moving point, this tip of the pen. Now it's moving, so it becomes a circle like this way, and when we draw, it becomes a circle. This is the fixed point whose coordinate is OH comma K, and this is the moving point P x comma y, and this is the distance, which is R, and this R is constant. Now student, what will be the equation of this path? That is, what will be the equation of the circle? Basically, equation is what? Equation is the relation between all the coordinates which satisfy this condition that it always moving at a constant distance from this fixed point. That is the relation between this x and y with the help of these two. So here, according to this definition, it says the distance between O and P is R, that is OP equal to R. Now using the distance formula, we can write it root under x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to R. Now to remove this square root, we will squaring both sides, and hence it becomes x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to R square. So student, this is the equation of the circle. So this one is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to R square is the equation of the circle. So this is the equation of the circle. Now we will find out a particular case when this center is 0, 0, that is origin. Then what it will happen? See, origin, then the center h, k becomes 0, 0. So h will be 0, k will be 0, and hence we get, when center is 0, 0, then equation of the circle is, it becomes x square plus y square is equal to R square. Now student, by using these two concepts, I am taking a question based on these two. So student, the question is, find the equation of the circle whose center is the point of intersection of two straight lines 3x minus 4y equal to 7 and 2x minus 7y is equal to minus 4, and which also passes through the point 2, minus 7. So student, if you draw the figure, you can see here, if you take, this is the center. So student, if this one is the center, then this center is the point of intersection of these two lines, right? And these two lines are given, and this line, this circle also passing through the point this, and this point is given 2, minus 7. So this will be 2, minus 7, and now here this is the center, and that center we will find out by solving these two straight lines, because it says whose center is the point of intersection of two straight lines, these two, 3x minus 4y equal to 7 and 2x minus 7y equal to minus 4. So we will write here that now, since given lines are 3x minus 4y is equal to 7 and 2x minus 7y is equal to minus 4. This we will suppose the first equation, this we will suppose the second equation, and now to get the center we will solve the equation number 1 and 2. Solving these two equations simultaneously, and student, as you know how you will solve the linear equation in two variables, already you did in class 10th or 9th. So I am just writing here the solution, that by solving these two we will get here x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. So therefore, the center of the circle is 5, 2. Now you have to find out the radius. Once you get because you have the center, once you get the radius, we can use this formula to get the equation of the circle. So student, now we will find the radius. To get the radius, now we'll use the another condition which says the circle passing through the point 2, -7. It's passing through the point 2, -7. So the distance between the center and the point will be the radius. So now we'll find the radius, which is root under. It will be the distance between 5, 2 and 2, -7. It becomes 5 minus 2 plus 2 minus -7. 5 minus 2 whole square is 9 plus it becomes 9 whole square is 81, which is root under 90. So using formula, equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So it becomes x minus h. Instead of h, because it's center, we will put 5. Instead of k, we'll put 2. So it becomes x minus 5 whole square plus y minus, it is 2. So we'll write here 2 whole square is equal to r square, and the r is root 90. So it becomes root 90 and whole square. So finally it becomes x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 90. Student, you can leave your answer at this stage as a final answer. You can leave here, or you can expand it. After expansion, what you will get? See, it is x minus 5 whole square. So we can expand it, x square minus 10x plus 25 plus y square minus 4y plus 4, and this 90 we can bring on the left side so that it becomes minus 90 equal to 0. And then we can write it x square plus y square minus 10x minus 4y minus 61 equal to 0. You can write this also as a final answer. This is in the expanded form and this is in the standard form. Now student, with the help of this example, this answer, you can say, is it possible to write any formula of the equation of a circle in this form, in this expanded form? Then student, my answer is yes, we can write it, which is called the general equation of a circle. And the general equation of a circle is, see student, we did x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square as a standard form as an equation of a circle when the center is h comma k and radius is r. So student, when you expand it, what it becomes? X square minus 2hx plus h square plus y square minus 2ky plus k square is equal to r square. Now we can write it x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h square plus k square minus r square is equal to 0. If we replace this h by minus g, k by minus f, and h square plus k square minus r square, because all of these three are constants, so we can write it a single constant c. Then what it becomes? It becomes x square plus y square. See, here it is minus 2hx. H is replaced by minus g. So it becomes minus 2 into minus g into x. That is plus 2gx. Same way, k is replaced by minus f. So it becomes minus 2 into minus f into y. That is plus 2fy plus this whole constant h square plus k square minus r square is replaced by c. So here we can write it plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation of a circle in general form. Now student, if this is the equation of a circle in general form, then what will be the center and what will be the radius? In this situation, the center is, see here, center is h comma k, and the value of h and k is minus g and minus f. So center will be minus g comma minus f, and the radius, that is r. See here, it is h square plus k square minus r square equal to c. So from here, r square is equal to h square plus k square minus c. So r is equal to root under h square plus k square minus c, and h is minus g minus f. So finally it becomes g square plus f square minus c. So here this will be the center and this will be the radius when equation of the circle is written in the general form. Now student, a second degree equation you did in the pair of a straight line, when it will represent a circle. So student, the conditions so that a second degree general equation, which is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, will represent a circle. Student, from the general equation of a circle, if we compare this second degree general equation, then what you will get? We can see here there is no term present which include x into y. that is xy. But in the general equation, here we have the term xy. So the first condition is h is equal to 0. That is, coefficient of xy is equal to 0, because there is no term which include xy. Now again we'll see the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square both are 1 1, that is, both are equal. And here the coefficient of x square and y square is a and b, that is different. So the second condition will be a equal to b, that is, coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. If these two conditions will hold true, then this general equation will represent a circle. Now student, I am taking an example based on the general equation of a circle. So student, the question is, find the value of lambda if lambda minus 1 x square plus lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 into y square minus 7 lambda x plus 5y minus 2 equal to 0 will represent a circle. So student, here the situation is what? This general equation will represent a circle if and only if a equal to b and h is equal to 0. That is, there is no term which include xy and the coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. In this given situation, we can see here there is no term including xy. That is first term. That is first condition is satisfied. Now coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square are different. So we have to put both the coefficients are equal. We will equate it to make it a general equation of a general equation of a circle. So student, I am writing here, since coefficient of x square should be equal to coefficient of y square, so we'll get here lambda minus 1 equal to lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2. Now we will transfer lambda minus 1 on the right side. It becomes lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 3 is equal to 0. Now using factorization method, we will factorize it and you will get here lambda minus 3 into lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. So we'll get here lambda equal to 3 or lambda is equal to 1. But which we will consider? Both or any one? So student, again we will see the question. See here, you are getting two values, lambda equal to 1 and lambda equal to 3. If you put lambda equal to 1 in the given equation, what you will get? Coefficient of x square is 0. Again you will get here coefficient of y square is also 0. 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. That means both the second degree will vanish. Only we will get a linear equation in x and y. and this linear equation always represent a straight line, not a circle. So student, this lambda equal to 1 is not possible. Now we will see lambda equal to 3. When you put lambda equal to 3 here, it becomes 3 minus 1, that is 2x square, plus 3 square minus 3 into 3 plus 2. So 3 square minus 3 into 3, cancel, plus 2y square. So here also you will get 2x square, here also you will get 2y square. And hence this equation will represent a circle. So to make it a circle, we will consider the value of lambda as 3. So this will be the correct answer. Student, I hope you will understand the topic, the concept, the question. In the next class, I will come again with some more important forms of equation of a circle. Till then, goodbye and